Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds Energy System Style 4. So firstly I will show you touch areas, located at the back side of each earbud. Right here at the top we have touch areas. To call voice assistant, you need to press 3 times at the touch area at your left or right earbud. So first let's check the right one. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I just awake Gemini. Maybe you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call it Bixby. Now let's check the left one. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it also works. We can also customize it. You need to open a Smart Connect application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app. You will see them at the device list. Then tap at your earbuds and go to Custom Controls. Right here we have press and hold, single press, double press and triple press. And as you can see, it's set to the triple press, but we can add it for another gesture. You can add it for the single, double and press and hold. So it's up to you. Let's say I wanna add it for the double press for the left earbud. You can also for the right earbud add it. It's up to you. Just tap at this line and select voice assistant. And now let's check it. So I press 2 times at my left earbud. 1, 2. And as you can see, it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!